Imagine you have been a prisoner since birth. You are chained in a cave. You can only look forward at a stone wall. Behind you is a fire. Puppeteers walk in front of the fire, casting shadows on the wall. To you, the shadows are reality. You name them. You fear them. You love them. This story is 2,400 years old. But look at your hand. You are staring at a glowing rectangle. You are watching shadows of people you will never meet, fighting wars that don't exist. You are in the cave, and you think the shadows are real. Plato asks, what happens if a prisoner is set free? He turns around. The fire burns his eyes. He is confused. He wants to go back to the shadows because the shadows were comfortable. He is dragged up the rough ascent, out of the cave, into the sun. The sunlight blinds him. He is in agony. This is the part people forget. The truth hurts. Realizing your life has been a lie is not a happy moment. It is blinding. It destroys your identity. But slowly, his eyes adjust. He sees the real world. He realizes the shadows in the cave were just cheap imitations. He goes back down to save his friends. But because his eyes have seen the sun, he can no longer see in the dark. He stumbles. He looks foolish. He tells them, the shadows aren't real. There is a world outside. They don't believe him. They say he is crazy. They say the journey ruined his eyes. Plato ends the story with a chilling line. If they could lay hands on the man who tried to set them free, they would kill him. Subscribe. Leave the cave.